Change in the eye color of the spiritual Lightworkers. Beloved beings, there is another very easy to detect factor of change, and it is that the color of the eyes lightens. Each being, in their three-dimensional eye tone, lightens the color of the iris, which becomes not only lighter in tone, but also more transparent and luminous. This can be more easily observed in people with light tones in their eye color, because they lighten to a fairly strong degree of transparency. Many of us have transparent eyes in the iris area, and very light colors. The eyes are also a very important energetic point, receiver, and especially transmitter of cosmic energies. Thus, by observing a being's eyes, you can feel at what vibratory level they are. Siblings in service recognize each other by the eyes and the look. It is a powerful source of energy irradiation. There is a very beautiful conscious service that can be performed through the loving gaze, which consoles, heals, advises, etc. You must be aware of the importance of the eyes as energetic centers capable of receiving, transmuting, and radiating cosmic energies of very high vibration. Given the increasing subtlety that the eyes are experiencing, they are becoming more delicate for the material plane. For this reason, many siblings are having problems with their eyes, which are aggravated by pollution and strong radiations. The subtilizing process makes them extremely delicate to all expressions of density and dirt. The eyes are very important in the expression of your inner being. It is necessary to care for and protect them. When there are disorders in the eyes, it can mean a lack of openness or insufficient care. There can also be strong pains and pricks inside the eyes. This is due to the transmutation and subtlety they are going through. This is noticeable since the pain comes from the inside. Rest is recommended to be with closed eyes, as it is a natural process of energy adjustment and harmonization. Regarding vision itself, it is common for those beings with a certain level of openness to observe luminous points, almost always above or around certain beings. The presence of light around a person means that you are vibrating in harmony with the new acting energies. They can also respond to the presence of beings in the form of pure energy. Many times, our own presence around you is detected by you, and in this way the masters and beings of light of high cosmic hierarchy, that is, all beings, who live from the 5D upwards, can be detected energetically through these bright white transparent luminous points. In works and services related to energy transmission, it is also very common to observe the luminous points. The observation of this luminous phenomenon is explained by the energy itself, or by the presence of light beings carriers of it. Peace and love are brothers, I am Commander with Aiken. This is very true. Many are seeing points of light or have pricks that cause pain inside the eyes. My eyes are green in color, now I see them very clear. Everything I see is bright and clearer. Although sometimes they cause a bit of burning, and for this it is better to rest. For those of us who read a lot or write, sometimes we have to give our eyes a rest. Light and love for all, I am Maria Lustig. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. If this content resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to reach the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.